So guys, this is the hairstyle. This is how this hairstyle is looking like. So simple and beautiful and also cute at the same time. This hairstyle is so simple to make. As you can see, you just four big jumbo flat twins. Okay, you can carry this hairstyle as a hairstyle. You can also wear it as your protective hairstyle. It can last for you up to 1 week to 2 weeks. Okay, you can wear it to any events. You are good to go. Okay, and so cute and so lovely. Disclaimer, I'm not a stylist. As you can see, I'm a learner. This hairstyle that I make is my first time doing flat twins on my hair, and they come out this cute. I'm so proud of myself, honestly speaking. This is my first time doing flat twins on my hair, and they come out this way. So I'm super proud of myself. So it's a beginner friendly. If also you have not done this hairstyle before in your hair, let me know in comment section below, and also let me know also if you are going to give this hairstyle or this protective hairstyle a try. Okay, let me know in comment section below. Also, please, if you are not joining this beautiful family by subscribing, please click on that subscribe button. Okay, subscribe and turn your post notification bell once you subscribe, so that YouTube can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Welcome to the family. Thank you for joining this beautiful family. And also, please, if you have not liked this video, if you have watched this video up to this point, I have not given this baby girl a thumbs up, please give your baby girl a thumbs up. Okay, it also help YouTube to put this video to more audience, and also help the growth of the channel. Okay, thank you so much. So guys, I have come to end of this video. Let me know in comment section below, are you going to try this hairstyle, or have you tried before in your hair? How do you see this hairstyle come out as a first timer installing as my first timer installing flat twins on my hair? How did it go? Do you see it? Is it lovely or not? Let me know. Did I try? Let me know in comment section below. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. Remain blessed out there. See you guys in my next video. Bye.